My name is Chip Michelson. I'm with ODM Tool and Manufacturing, and I'm the CEO. We are a family-owned metal stamping company. We've been in business since 1946. My grandfather started the company. I'm third generation, just trying not to screw everything up. We're an automotive supplier, and we go up to 1,500 tons. We do robotic welding as well, and we're a tier 2 supplier to the automotive industry. ODM has been a member of PMA since 1974, so for 50 years, mainly for the networking. There are great people in PMA, there are great companies in PMA. ODM finds value in the PMA, the meetings, the conferences, forming our future. The Automotive Parts Suppliers Conference is great, beneficial, invaluable, informative. So that's it.